Welcome back. The Nagpur bench of the Mumbai High Court modified the conviction of a man who was sentenced to jail under the POCSO Act for sexually assaulting a minor girl. The man in question has been accused of pressing a 12-year-old child's breast, and the court modified the conviction of the accused, stating that there was no skin-to-skin contact with sexual intent and mere groping would not amount to sexual assault under POCSO Act. However, the court upheld his conviction under Section 354 of the IPC, which penalizes outraging the modesty of a woman for groping the child. Santhya Gora is with me to give more details on this. Santhya, without getting into the merits of the order, this order from the court will be very crucial and can also be a precedent for all other cases, all such kind of cases in the future also, because till now, POCSO was considered the most lethal weapon and a go-to law when it came to sexual assaults of minor.
Yes, absolutely, Gauri. See, whenever a matter is argued in the court, the previous orders, previous observations of the court are mentioned either by the prosecution or by the defendant to make their case. So, as you rightly mentioned, this can be a precedent and in something as serious as POCSO. So, talking about this case, it dates back to 2016 of December when a 12-year-old child was allegedly taken by the accused in this case and convict of 354. He was taken. The child was taken to his house on the pretext of giving her guavas, but when the child did not return, her mother realized that she has not come back, and she started looking for her. At that time, one of the neighbor told that she has seen the person, the man here in question, that she saw him taking the child to his house, and in fact she heard some shouts as well. So the moment the mother went there and asked confronted the man, he denied the child's presence there, Gauri. So at that time, frantically, she started looking for the daughter, and she saw a room which was locked from outside. When she opened the room, she saw her child was sitting inside the room. She was crying. She told the mother what happened with her. She narrated the incident, and then the mother-daughter duo, they went to the police station and filed an FIR. And in fact, in the month of February last year, the special child court in Nagpur actually convicted the man. They found him guilty under POCSO sections as well, 354 section and 354 of IPC as well. But when that order was challenged in Nagpur, Mumbai High Court, Gauri, at that time, the bench actually made an observation that no physical contact, that is skin to skin touch, was actually made by the man in question here with a sexual intent. That is something prosecution is unable to prove. That's why, as far as Section 8 of POCSO is concerned, that is punishment for sexual assault of a minor, court acquit him on that particular section. But court said that the case of molesting, as in outraging the modesty of a woman, is still something which stands. That's why that bit of lower court was upheld by the court, but not the POCSO section, as there was, according to court, no physical contact, skin to skin touch with a sexual intent. Sorry.
Right. Thank you. Thank you, Santhya, for sharing all those details.